welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Sorna, and today I'm creating this awesome look. As you can see, you all know I am obsessed with creating different kind of looks, playing with colors. So yeah, thought of creating this look today. For today's look, I was thinking of using this Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. It's been quite a while that I used this palette, so I was thinking creating a look. If you haven't watched the previous video of this look, I will put a link over here. You can go ahead and check that link. As you can see, I have created this gorgeous look. This is kind of wet look but full of colors, and yeah, I am really happy with how it turned out, and I think you will be too. So without further ado, grab a snack and let's get into the video. Today I am using tape to get the precise application at the outer corner. So as usual, I am taking the Anastasia eye primer, and you all know why I use this product. It's because it will make your eyeshadow vibrant more and make it work really well. I'm using a lighter shade than my normal skin tone, as you can see, to make the eyeshadows vibrant. As my base is done, I'm grabbing the Fierce by Nature palette and taking this deep maroon color first to work with. And like every time, starting with the most deepest color and using the packing motion to place it on the lid. The reason I'm using the packing motion is because I want the most pigment on the outer part of my lid, and then I can use the blending motion to diffuse the harsh line. Next on, taking this hot pink color, and I don't know if it seems reddish in camera, but it's actually a deep hot pink color, and packing the color right above the first color and blending the two shades pretty nicely so there's no harsh line whatsoever. And while blending, making it really smoky at the very end. Now it's time to cut the crease, and today I'm doing a full cut crease look. So first I'm using a concealer to cut the crease so I can clean the surface with a cotton tip using the micellar water. Then again going with the ABH eye primer to make sure I have a clean base to work with, and this is why I clean it before so it does not get messy at this time. First taking the dark maroon along with the deep hot pink and packing them together, also blending these three shades together before putting the next pop of color. And for the inner part, taking this green shade as a pop of color to this whole look, and I'm placing the color in the middle and gradually bringing it to the inner corner. And I'm taking this slightly fluffy brush to blend these two shades together in the middle. And now, as you all can see, I have left quite a bit of space between the two parts of shadows, and now we are going to work in that part. And for that I will take this gorgeous gold shade to work with, as this is kind of loose gold. eyeshadow. First I will put a glitter primer, which is this NYX or NYX glitter primer, so it holds the glitter right on place. After putting the primer with a precise brush, I will place the gold shade on the empty space I left. And OMG, I am really obsessed. This actually gave the best definition to this look. I wasn't happy with the loose glitter from the palette, so I took this gold liquid glitter and using that over the first golden shade. I'm also using this liquid green glitter to spice up the look a little, and if you are wondering, I got this from Amazon. Because my outer corner wasn't dark enough and I'm just keeping it on the outer corner, not bringing it any further, and just using the packing motion for this color, so it's really dark. And with this I am done, so I will take off this scotch tape from both sides and start putting on mascara on the eyelash. You all know how much I love Ardell eyelashes because they are inexpensive and really good shape to show the whole work that I have put in there. So today again using the Ardell lash to make this look complete. So I want to keep the video simple as this is a eyeshadow look. I will be back with my whole face so I can work on lower lash line. And I am back with mostly of my face, so let's work on the lower lash line. For the lower part I am using the dark maroon and hot pink to really smoke out the look and blending the upper and lower corner so it seems like one piece. For the most inner corner, taking this orange shade, not actually going for a highlighter shade, just to match with the look. And at the very end, I am finishing this look with the Becca highlighter on my face. I love this highlighter, and also this is a really intense highlighter and I am loving it with this look. And here is the final look. And this is the final look, you all. I hope everyone liked the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell button so you're a part of the golden fam. And check out the video I am going to link over here. If you guys have any kind of suggestions or any kind of video request, you can definitely comment down below. Until next time, bye.